Welcome back.
Oh, yes.
Another edition of Bitter-Swede Garage. If you've ever wondered if 3 grown men can fit in a 1946 truck, you're about to find out. So, hang on your seats. Let me flip the camera around. How can I do that? Technology. We are all related, by the way.
You got to get in first, otherwise it's not going to work.
Ben, Sam. 2 out of 5 of my brothers total. All right. Let's see if we can get there.
3 out of 5, technically. You got to pick one.
Well, I said my brothers, so 3 out of 5. Your brothers. My brothers.
I wasn't going to say anything.
Yeah, but it's your
Ben can't avoid a contradiction.
That's right.
Especially a mathematical one.
I'm glad I didn't just shut your hand off. All right. Couple pumps. Flawless.
Someone come behind us here, BJ. Someone come behind us.
Someone come out and got it. I'm glad you're here. It's like having the automated system. Right. I think people will stay clear.
Hey, jackass! Someone behind you. It's kind of alert we need in our vehicles.
Shifting is a challenge with a man in the middle. I gotta shift between the thighs.
Only if you're not adventurous.
It's a little awkward. Glass packs were a nice choice, Andrew. You know, too bad Andrew couldn't be here.
Yeah.
He'd have to be in the back. He'd just be yelling the whole time.
He's used to it. What? What'd you say?
We're gonna go a long way. What are you looking at? Sorry, I'm trying to find the shifter.
That's not the shifter.
Feeling around. Like I said, it takes a lot of trust. Yeah. Some bum stole my bike a couple months ago.
Stole it and sold it?
It was my fault. I had a...
How is it your fault?
I left it there for like 48 hours out in the open in the market. I was basically asking for it. I still watch out for it though. If I see some bum on a bike, I'm like, no.
Hey, where'd you get that bike?
By the time I saw the neighbor kid driving my bike around the block, knocked him right off. Turns out David gave it to him. Didn't tell me.
David gave him your bike?
Yeah, that'd be funny. And then I got in trouble for knocking the kid off the bike.
Well, that's hilarious.
You knocked him off, huh?
Oh yeah, I knocked him off the bike. I said, hey kid, get off my bike. It's okay, took on the piece of property?
Smell them fumes.
That was the kid that had, his parents had the, you know how people make a fake magazine cover and put their picture on it?
Yeah.
And for years I thought it was real. I was like, wow, your dad was on the cover of Tennis magazine. It's impressive. Turned out it was all a lie.
Back when you can obviously tell it was pasted on it.
Right.
Before Photoshop.
Is it legal to video while we come up to the gate guard?
Sure.
I'll tell him I'm a sovereign citizen. This is my,
Yeah, that'll make it all
this is
go
my
away.
First Amendment right. I think they like it when you
Do you have ID? No.
Well, you get a lot of extra attention from them.
I want to talk to your supervisor.
Let's see if we can get NCIS called in.
Steering's a little wonky. She
Little
floats
loose.
a bit.
Little loose.
Just a little loose. But the heat's fantastic.
Yeah, it is nice and warm.
Nothing like the smell of singed hair.
There's only going to be 2 people who really like this video.
Oh, it's gonna make millions.
Trust me, it's gonna go big.
It's gonna be big.
Half the fun's telling people where I'm going for Thanksgiving. When I tell them I'm going to Ridgecrest, I'm like, where's that?
Well, how about China Lake? There is no lake.
China Lake.
There was a lake at some point.
Oh, you know, China Lake. There's a Navy base up there.
A Navy base? In the middle of the desert? Well, this guy thinks he's loud. Yeah! I don't know what that was. It just threw out.
I don't know if you can tell how smooth this ride is, but it's pretty amazing.
Actually, the shocks aren't flipped up right
It's
now.
awesome.
It's pure spring. Camera's bouncing everywhere.
Steel spring cushion.
Yeah.
for your comfort.
Hey, but you know what? We are sitting on Mark Carlstrom, an original.
It's true. And you can see past our bodies.
Smells
You can see a beautiful
seat.
See what?
Oh, brakes work.
And that's important.
Oh, man, you're off.
You probably want you to notice it.
Oh. I think I might have felt the spring in the seat on that one.
Mark.
Strategically placed.
Check out Ben's haircut. Gave that to him today.
I want you to guess who he looks like.
Comments.
Who does he look
Comment
like?
section.
Some people think 2000s Brad Pitt.
2000s. If Brad Pitt was putting on 50 pounds for a movie.
I think his most weight he put on was for Troy, wasn't it? Or was it Troy? You know what I'm talking about?
Different kind of weight.
He played Troy.
They laugh at our own jokes.
Comes with fatherhood.
And grandparenthood.
Yeah, what queued up when you became a grandpa? I want to know because I'm about to be one.
Well,
I know, any day now, this guy is going to be a grandpa.
apparently your balls dropped 6 inches.
I'll be editing that out.
I will say, as soon as I became a father, I think at that point belly button length was a problem. I don't know about anybody else.
I could make a sweater from belly button out good. Since Tuesday.
We've actually made the first baby blanket out of a belly button lint. Tradition.
Might as well save this.
It's very soft.
So, and you're gonna
Highly flammable.
you're gonna go by Gramps.
Yeah, I'm gonna go by Gramps.
Then he wants to race me.
Probably.
I think you picked up a cigarette butt off the ground.
I'm just glad it's still running. Made it all the way to Walmart and
Yeah,
back.
we haven't needed any gas.
Well, we haven't back yet.
I do have an extra can in the back.
Hear that turbo? Wow.
That didn't sound natural.
Geo tracker. Turbo diesel.
I caught her looking. She was looking.
They always be looking.
She's like, you can look, but you can't touch, ladies.
Just keep looking forward. Creepy old 50 man.
Grandfather hitting on me on the way home. Feel dirty.
Some real old timers.
Truck full of
I
grandpas.
think they were ghosts.
I am sorry that my headlights only work on right, but I don't think they're powerful enough to really hurt anybody.
We used to have I think they're lost tapes now. Looks like
Wacky tapes.
pretty sure it was a little bit like this.
Oh, yeah.
It was just conversation.
Okay.
Hear each other.
Wallet time. Samuel, will you grab your wallet for you?
It's in my left pocket.
Ah, seriously, can't take a pass.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, here we go.
This guy looks serious.
Okay. Oh, this is really good.
Where is my wallet? Oh, it's in my other pocket. Hello. It's all driving on its own right now.
Okay, here we go. All right.
Took a little longer than expected to pull up here.
Evening.
Just a year, 58.
He's about 12 years off.
So it's before that?
46.
46. Yeah.
46.
Not bad. My uncle built a 42.
Sweet.
So that's why I probably should have got the 46.
You recognize the smell?
It's nice though.
Appreciate
You
it.
working on it?
Oh yeah. Well, a little bit. I kind of like the patina the way it is.
Nice ride, though.
Appreciate it. Have a
Thanks,
nice
sir. Appreciate it.
We're not. Now we should leave and come back in the GTR.
Wait a
car.
minute. Did you just come through here? You animals.
Feel the old man.
Bet your grandpa didn't have one of
my
these.
uncle, he built the 55 GTR.
Blue's lights. I feel like we should have brought a stage light.
Spotting scope.
Makes it more serious. Stopping. All right, I'm cutting her off. You guys are talking about prepping. Yeah, I've pretty much consigned myself to be one of the dead people on the street.
There's that option.
Somebody's got to fill that role.
True. Someone's got to be dead guy number 8.
Yeah, exactly. Somewhere in a car.
You're already barber number 3.
Everyone else they're all trying to survive. It's the dead people. They're fine. They're not worried. There we go.
I will say I may or may not have been collecting unusual amounts of ammunition. Not because
I'm sorry, did you say
needed it.
unusual amounts of hashish?
Yes, that too. But ammunition.
Oh.
Rounds.
Pew pews.
It's like, if I'm taking out a...
Well, you gotta protect your family.
One bullet for each head, You gotta be sure about your aim.
Yeah, you don't want to spoil the meat.
Exactly.
Someone's phone ringing. It's mine.
That was actually my phone.
Rolling up to the old display here. He just got to put his yard art back.